Hi, and welcome back to mathematics class with Teacher Matthew. Today we're going to compare and other two-digit numbers. Look at the number of pages in these books. The first book has 51 pages, and the second book has 26 pages. Which book has more pages? Natcha writes each number in the place value chart. She wrote 5 tens, 1 ones here, and 2 tens, 6 ones here. Which digit should she compare first? She has to compare the tens. The tens first. So we have 5 tens and 2 tens. So therefore, what happens if the digit in the tens place are the same? So we compare the ones next. So for this one, 5 tens is more than 2 tens. So we write greater than. 51 is greater than 26. We write greater than, less than, or equals to compare numbers. Look at these 4 books: 44, 14, 41, 34. How would you write the books in order from least to greatest? We compare the tens. So 14 has the least tens. So 14 will come first. 14. 3 tens has the next one. 3 tens, 34. The last two numbers has the same 4 tens. 4 tens, 4 tens. So we'll consider the ones. 4 ones, 1 1. So 41 has the least ones. 41 next, and 44 the last. This is how we compare numbers. Now let's go on to the workout. Circle the place value chart that shows the number that is greater. Then write greater than, less than, or equals to describe how the numbers compare. So for part A, let's consider the tens. 3 tens, 5 tens. 5 tens is more than 3 tens. So we write less than. 3 tens is less than 5 tens. Part B, 4 tens, 1 tens. 4 tens is greater than 1 tens. 7 tens, 7 tens. 1 ones, 6 ones. So 1 ones is less than 6 ones. Part D, 6 tens, 1 tens. So 6 tens is greater than 1 tens. So we'll put greater than. Now let's circle the number that has the greater value. For part A, 52 has greater value, so we circle 52. There you go. Part B, 4/10 has greater value than 1/10, so we circle 40. There you go. Part C, 7/10 are the same, 1 ones and 6 ones. So 6 ones is greater, we circle 6 ones. Part D, 6/10 is greater than 1/10, so we circle 6/10. There you go. Let's go on to the next one. Number 2. This table shows the number of books read by grade 1 and grade 2. Use the table to answer each question. For grade 1, we have the number of week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, and week 5. So part A, write the numbers that are less than 50. What are the numbers that are less than 50? There you go. These are the numbers that are less than 50. We've got 38, 39, 40, 45. Part B, write the numbers in grade 1 in order from greatest to least. So we'll compare the tens first for grade 1 only. All right, there you go. We have 63, 58, 53, 45, 39, from the greatest to the least. Now, part C, write the numbers in grade 2 in order from the least to the greatest. Now, from the least to the greatest. There you go. We have 38, 40, 57, 59, and 65. Now, number 3, write greater than, less than, or equals to describe how the numbers compare. Part A, let's compare the tens, 8/10 and 6/10. So 8/10 is greater. We'll put greater than. Part B, 4/10, 8/10. 4/10 is less than, so we put less than. Part C, 1/10, 8/10. 1/10 is less than, so we put less than. 1/10 is less than 8/10, so we put less than. Part D, we have 3/10, 3/10, the same. 9 ones, 9 ones, so we write equals. They are equal. They are equal. Part E, 9/10 and 6/10. So 9/10 is greater. Part E, so 9/10 is greater than 6/10. Part F, we have 1/10, 5/10. 1/10 is less than. There you go. Fast finishers, color the cards that show the numbers ordered from greatest to least. So these are the two sets of numbers that are ordered from the greatest to the least. Practice 1.6. I would like you to do this yourself in your practice book A and send it to the teacher. Subscribe to my channel so you can see the next updates. Have a beautiful day.